Hello students, hope you're all doing well. This is a very short video with respect to the CA Inter Crash Batch. I mean to say the coaching classes for the November 2022 attempt. As you all know that, it's been a tradition for us to offer not just the Crash Batch but also the Group 2 regular batch. So thereby this video contains not just the details of the Crash Batch but also the details of the Group 2 regular batch. To begin with, we're going to offer the Crash Batch both for Group 1 and Group 2 separately. However, the student is not permitted to attend the classes for both Group 1 and Group 2 at a time. The logic is very simple. We need to finish the Crash Batch within 2 to 2.5 months. And in the 2 to 2.5 months of duration, we need to take classes for at least 450 to 500 hours. To do that, we can do it only if we conduct the classes for at least 10 to 11 hours a day. So thereby, logically, it is not possible for any student to attend for the crash batch coaching both for Group 1 and Group 2 simultaneously. And there's one more unique thing is Masterminds is one among Masterminds is one among the very few institutions which is offering coaching for CA in the crash batch as well as the Group 2 regular batch in 3 different modes. See, before I continue, I request the students community to kindly share this video with your friends. This is what the support you can extend to our team members. See, running an offline batch for regular batch, running a regular batch in offline mode is definitely profitable. But running an offline batch for crash batch is absolutely not at all profitable. It is not just a profitable course of business, but even the faculty may not like to take classes per crash batch. Do you know the reason? In regular batch, at least 150 students will be sitting in the classroom, whereas in crash batch, hardly 50 to 60 students will be sitting in the classroom. So faculty who got habituated to take classes for 150 to 200 students in a classroom may not feel comfortable to teach for just 50 to 60 students. So I just need an appreciation. Running an offline batch or crash batch is definitely an adventure, and we have been doing that adventure since for many years. What I'm expecting is just a small appreciation. So please share this video with your friends. So 3 modes of coaching. So what do you mean by 3 modes of coaching? 3 formats. One, CPB, complete physical batch. Second one is COB, complete online batch. That is a very unique batch. You can't find that COB kind of format in many institutions. I bet. A challenge, you can't find a batch called COB in majority of the online coaching centers. And the third one is VOD, otherwise called as video recording lectures, otherwise called as video on demand batch. My dear students, I need not tell details of the CPB. It is absolutely the traditional form of coaching, nothing but offline. I would like to throw some light on COB, complete online batch. So what are the unique features of the complete online batch? See, it is a live telecast of the physical batch. Got the point? It is it's a live telecast of the physical batch. And students can even clear their doubts on real-time basis. Classes will be held as per the fixed timetable. Say, for example, our timetable for a physical batch is 8 to 8. And students of COB will also be having the classes from 8 to 8. So there's no question of any postponement. Say, for example, if you buy the videos, if you take the coaching through VOD, video recorded lectures, you will be given a video access or the video's validity of obviously for 6 months. Students will have a tendency of keep on postponing the watching of videos. Whereas in case of COB, the question of postponement of watching the videos will never happen. Will never happen. It's the greatest advantage. And in COB, who are going to take the classes? Yes, your guess is right. Our central office faculty are going to take the classes in COB. And apart from conducting the classes, we are going to give a bonus. What is that bonus? We are going to conduct Sunday examinations, my dear. We are going to conduct Sunday examinations, my dear. See, suppose, say for example, mine is an online coaching platform, and we sell the videos. We sell the videos at a dead cheap rate of 3,000 rupees. Can you find all these facilities? See, I may make a good amount of money. For me, what are the efforts involved? I need to make the videos, and I can make use of those videos for selling at least for 12 months. For me, since the efforts is less, I can charge a fee at a very, very, very nominal amount, which is hardly 2 to 3,000 rupees per month, or which is 4 to 5,000 rupees per month. Whereas in case of COB, it is very difficult for me. It is very laborious for me. I need to take care of many things. I need to take care of many things. I just need your appreciation. For a very meager amount, we're offering so many facilities in the name of COB. Please enlighten the students who are interested in taking who are interested in taking coaching through online mode. Please enlighten them. Instead of taking coaching through VOD, video on demand batch, otherwise called as video recorded lectures, advise them to go for COB, complete online batch. And say, for example, you have not attended the classes, immediately you'll get a phone call from our team member inquiring your well being. So, definitely, there's a follow up, there is a monitoring. And my dear students, say, for example, you have bought the videos of Masterminds through Masterminds online classes app, which is otherwise called as VOD, video on demand, popularly called as video recorded lectures. See, definitely, I repeat, definitely, those videos maybe, or those videos will be at least 1 month or 2 months or 3 months old videos. They would have been recorded 3 months earlier or 2 months earlier or 1 month earlier. Whereas in case of COB, my dear, these are all the live stream of the classes conducted, which are being conducted on daily basis. Live stream. And in case of VOD batch, you'll be given, in case of VOD batch, you'll be given the video recorded classes which were recorded in a studio. Whereas COB, it is totally different. The classes will be taken in front of the students. These are nothing but the live telecast of the physical batch classes. The field will be different for a faculty. The flow will be different. The field will be different. The flavor will be different. See, in the absence of the students, recorded videos which were recorded in a studio will not have a great feel. The faculty may not have the great enthusiasm. Whereas in case of COP, since the students will be in front of the faculty will take the classes with lot of enthusiasm. And my dear students, you'll be given the PDF materials also. Of course, if you want to buy the books, yes, you can buy them at the rate of 2,000 rupees per group, and you will be sent the printed books through courier. And the courier charges will be borne by our team members. It will be paid out of our pocket. Now coming to VOD. So instead of attending the classes in offline mode or in COB mode, you can even buy the videos of Masterminds group of institutions through our online classes app called Masterminds Online Classes app. So we have been offering online classes through an app called Masterminds Online Classes app, which is available for download both for iOS as well as Android users, available in Play Store. And you can buy the videos of group 1 or group 2 with a validity of 6 months with 1.5 views option. And we surprised you to know that these videos are available for sale at just 12,000 rupees per group. Remember, my dear students, this is a very limited offer. We are going to make it as 15,000 very soon. If you want to buy, immediately buy them. Immediately buy them. Because the response for the VOD batch is absolutely good. It's too good. If you want to buy them, you buy it immediately. And for these VOD batch students also, if you want have the printed books, hard copy, then you can buy the books, printed books at just 2,000 rupees, and our team will send the courier copy. Our team will send the printed books through a courier services, and you can even read the material in through a hard copy. You can read the material through a hard copy. Of going through the material in soft copy mode, you can go through the material in hard copy mode. Now, coming to number of hours. See, whether it is a case of CPB or COB or VOD, the coaching will be approximately for 450 to 500 hours. And in case of VOD, please do note this, my dear students. For this batch, which is likely to start in June 2022, for VOD students, we are going to upload the video recordings on daily basis. What does it mean? We are not going to sell the old recorded videos. We are not going to sell the earlier recorded videos. So whatever the videos that you are going to buy through VOD mode is nothing but the video recorded lectures of the ongoing batch, which is going to start on June 6, 2022. Okay, my dear students, let me continue. And let me continue with respect to the Group 2 regular batch. See, enter Group 2 regular batch. See, unlike C enter crash batch, will be taking the classes for Group 2 regular batch in a very detailed manner. Will be finishing the syllabus, will be taking not less than 6 to 700 hours to finish the syllabus. And generally, this Group 2 regular batch is meant for the first time listeners. I even recommend to take Group 2 regular batch instead of Group 2 crash batch to all those students who have cleared their Group 1 at least 2 years back. Mean to say that you should have cleared your Group 1 2 years back, and since from last 2 years you have been trying to clear your Group 2, but you couldn't make it. So instead of spending money and time for Group 2 crash batch, it is highly advisable for you to spend time and money for regular batch. It will be a wise decision if you take coaching through regular batch instead of crash batch. So obviously, the fees difference between crash batch and regular batch will be hardly few thousands. Don't be don't be so confused. I'm telling this as if I'm a sorry. I'm telling this as if I'm a family member. Don't think that I'm money minded. Absolutely, you please treat me as a brother. If not in Masterminds, you please join somewhere else. If at all if you're not interested to take admission into Masterminds, you join somewhere else. But please do follow my advice. Instead of crash batch, you go for regular batch. That will be a wise decision. And again, the Group 2 regular batch coaching is available in all the three modes of CPB, COB, and VOD, my dear. And in case of VOD, I think you remember, for crash batch, the video's validity will be 6 months. And for regular batch, the video's validity will be 12 months. The batch was commenced on June 4, 2022 itself. And for the first 3 days, the classes will be taken hardly for 2 to 3 hours so that the late comers or the late joined students will not miss the classes. And one more unique thing is, apart from the coaching classes, we are going to conduct examinations on every Sunday. You can't find this facility in many CA coaching centers. And we'll be doing the valuation. We'll share the suggested answers immediately after completion of the examination. We'll be doing the valuation also. And the latest 47th edition of materials will be made available for sale. And students, if you are interested, you can buy them at just 2000 rupees per group. And the mode of coaching will be a 100% English, and the tough concepts will be repeated in Telugu as well. And for demo videos, you please contact our helpline number 9885125025 and 26. My dear students, one peculiar thing is, since the examinations have been completed by May 30 as against May 20, the results will obviously be delayed. In general, the results will be declared by August 1st week. This time I'm expecting the results to be declared by August 2nd week. And let us suppose that the examinations of November will be held from November 2nd, 2022. In such a case, hardly you'll be able to find a gap of 2 end of months. It is very difficult for you to complete the syllabus, and it is very difficult for you to clear November 2022 attempt. My dear, trust me, feel me as your brother, feel me as your family member. Please own me, feel me as your family member. Please accept my early advice. I have been in the CA coaching since from last 20 years. The golden principle to qualify in any professional course is you should start preparing immediately after completion of the examinations by taking a short break of 1 week. Please don't take this advice lightly. Accept my experience, trust my experience. And my dear students, since from June 2020, if I'm right, we have been in the ambit of GST. We are making the payment of GST out of our pocket. We are not collecting any amount from students in the name of GST. Absolutely, the total amount of GST will be paid by the management as a token of support to the students community. And what are the other services that are available? I'll tell you. There's a concept called CMA Inter short term batch, otherwise called as crash batch, where the CMA Inter coaching will be completed in just 170 hours of in just 170 hours. In that 170 hours, in that 170 hours, we'll be teaching those chapters or subjects which are not covered in CA Inter and CA Foundation. So just by going through just by listening to 170 hours of coaching, a student who completed the CA inter examinations can even comfortably complete the CMA inter examinations. And this is available just for a nominal fee of 4,000 rupees. And for this 4,000 rupees, in addition to coaching of 170 hours, you will be given 3 online mock examinations. For more details, you please find this course called CMA Inter Short Term Batch in our Masterminds online classes app store. What are the other auxiliary services we are making available? The other one is mini crash batch, which is a vertical of VOD, video on demand batch, where the videos will be sold, where the coaching will be given through video recorded classes. In case of mini crash batch, either the group 1 or the group 2 crash batch is available for sale at just 5,000 rupees with one view and with 1 month validity. And as you know that the group 1 and group 2 course is will be taught in 450 to 500 hours. And these are the recently recorded videos. So you may have a doubt, sir, how is it possible to complete watching 450 to 500 hours of videos in just 1 month? Logically, your question is correct. And what is the logic behind that? I'll tell you the answer. See, in fact, students who bought mini crash batch at just 5,000 rupees, which is a throwaway price, will not be watching each and every chapter. What they'll be doing is, say for example, a student is having some is not comfortable with respect to some chapters of accountancy, some chapters of taxation, some chapters of law, or some chapters of costing. So within that 1 month, the student can finish watching some chapters of taxation, some chapters of GST, some chapters of accountancy, etc., etc., etc. And another batch is called Mini CA Inter Regular Batch, where the Group 1 regular batch of 850 hours is available for sale at just 10,000 rupees with one view and 1 month validity. Similarly, Group 2 course is available for sale at just 10,000 rupees, which will be dealt in a duration of 665 hours. Similar facility is available for CMA Inter also. CMA Inter regular batch is available through a course called Mini CMA Inter Regular Batch, and the fee for that is 10,000 rupees per group. By paying amount of 10,000 rupees, you can have an access of 850 hours of either group 1 or 565 hours of group 2 classes. And even this also you can finish watching those videos with 1 month validity with one view option. And same is the logic. Okay, nobody can finish watching the entire 850 hours of classes within a short span of 1 month. Yeah, of course, you can finish watching. You can finish watching the videos of those chapters of group 1 in which you are not comfortable. Say, for example, there are certain chapters in which you are not comfortable with respect to P1, the paper 1 of CMA Inter group 1. Similarly, the paper 2, similarly, the paper 3, and similarly, the paper 4. You can finish watching the videos of those chapters of paper 1, paper 2, paper 3, and paper 4 just by making a payment of 10,000 rupees within a period of 1 month. And the end of the video is, my dear students, what are the achievements of Masterminds? at CA Inter and CMA Inter level. To begin with, hardly it may take another 3 months. Please do show patience and finish watching till the end. My dear students, very recently, so sorry, in the last 8.5 years, our students have secured 97 all India ranks either at CA Inter level or IPCC level. And very sorry, please accept my apology. Sorry. In the very recently declared results, of February 2022, our student by name Ashwant has secured all India first rank in CA Inter World syllabus. Now coming to the single digit ranks being secured by our students at CA Inter new syllabus or world syllabus, which includes the All India first rank and which includes the All India eighth rank in the recently declared results of February 2022 in new syllabus. This is in old syllabus and this is in new syllabus. And CMA Inter All India first rank in 2020 and CMA Inter All India second rank in March 2021. And you'll be surprised to know that as much as 500 plus ranks have been secured by our students at CMA Inter and CMA final level in the last 7 years. Kindly note that this excludes the ranks that we have secured at CMA foundation level. And 49 All India ranks in the last 5 years of CA final examinations, including All India first, fourth, and ninth rank. See, I humbly accept that we don't want to take credit of any of these rank holders. Absolutely, the entire credit goes to the rank holders. See, if every student whosoever took coaching in Masterminds have got a rank, then it becomes the credit of the Masterminds. On the other hand, only if few students are able to get, or if only few students are able to secure rank, then absolutely we need to accept the fact. Absolutely, the entire credit goes to the students community. So thereby, we don't want to take any form of credit of all these ranks of CA Inter, CMA Inter, or CMA Final, or CA Final, or at foundation level. And thanks to Pranit, you brought name and fame not just to your parents but also to team Masterminds by securing All India first rank at CA final level. And another All India first rank in CMA final, another All India first rank in CMA final. And this is the list of the students who are cleared either Group 1 or Group 2 from Masterminds at CA Inter or IPC's level in February 2020 and 2019 results. My dear students, this is part 1 and this is part 2. And part 1 and part 2 comprises the list of 2010 students. Please do note that this is not the list of the students who took coaching. This is the list of the students who qualified from Masterminds alone in February 2019 results of CA Inter and CF IPCC. And this is a list of the students who qualified CA final, either Group 1 or both the groups from Masterminds in January 2020 alone. And my dear, you can even now you can find this post in Masterminds for CA official Facebook page. And another great achievement, another feather in our cap. Our students have secured 6 All India first ranks in the last 3 years, that is in 2020, 21, and 22 at CA and CMA level of at CA and CMA in CA and CMA examinations. To begin with, 2022, our student by name Yashwant has secured CA Inter All India first rank in world syllabus. Rishabh has secured All India first in CMA foundation, and Nikhil has secured All India first in CMA final of 2021. These two are 2022 results. And by mistake, it was given as 2020. The ranks have been declared in 2022. The ranks have been declared in 2022. Of course, the examination have been held in 2020, but the ranks have been declared in 2022. So, ranks secured, All India first rank secured in 2022 are Rishabh and Ashwant. And in 2021 is Nikhil. And coming to the ranks that have been secured by our students in 2020, Deepak, All India first rank at CMA Inter level, Gurubhaskar, 2020 CMA final, and Pranit, 2020 CA final. CA final. It is my humble submission, dear students, before you take an admission or before you take a decision whether to take admission into Masterminds or not, don't give much importance to our ranks. Rather than that, you please give more importance to our commitment, experience, and the kind of dedication we show in delivering the services to our students. And coming to our online presence, we have been offering the online classes since from 2022, that is pandemic period, to a leading edutech company by name Class Plus app. And following are the awards that we have secured through Class Plus app. Recognizing the efforts and leadership of Masterminds in online platform, they have given the following three awards. And to my knowledge, edutech company by name Class Plus app is offering online education services to not less than 15 to 20,000 educational institutions on pan-India basis. So we have been selected as a top 5 educators on pan-India basis. We have been selected as an educational institution in the top 1% on pan-India basis, and we have awarded 6 educator awards alone in the year 2021. So God bless you. And if at all, if you want to reach me, you can reach me at msnmohan2013 at the rate gmail.com. And you can reach our team members at 9885125025 and 25026. And before I conclude, it is my humble request. I don't know. I don't know. I even don't want to influence you. Wherever you want to join, you please join. You please take the admission. I don't want to compel you. I don't want to even request you to join in Masterminds. Neither I want to compel you, nor I want to request you. But the only request that I want to make from my side is please do join in offline mode only. Please do join in offline mode only. And you may have a doubt, my dear students, you may have a doubt. The doubt is, sir, you may be telling us to take coaching only in offline mode, but the reason that you don't have sales in online mode. This is a screenshot of the performance of the Masterminds online classes app that I had taken just 2 hours back. That is on June 6th, 2022 at 10:41 p.m. There is a jump in sales by 280%. There is a jump in sales revenue by 519%. Is that not enough for you to accept the leadership of Masterminds in online platform? Trust us, even though we are the national leaders in online platform, we have been recommending the students to go for offline only for the reason that we don't want to take advantage of the students' ignorance. In online mode, only we will get benefited. In offline mode, both the students as well as the management of the faculty will get mutually benefited. God bless you. All the best.